Hello everyone, yeah, now we are back again for this week. Right now I'll be analyzing EURUSD. So that was the pair that we analyzed last week, but yeah, the same thing as well this week, because I'm not seeing a clear pattern on the other on the remaining chart. I've tried to look around, but there's no a very clear trend like EURUSD. Alright, so though in the group I promised to analyze Australian dollar, but looking at it again, I am not going for it again because I'm not seeing a very clear pattern in Australian dollar, right? So now we are going to be analyzing Euro USD. I think we are ready. Okay, so let's go straight to the business. So now this is the Australian dollar. I was trying to do this, but the analysis was actually not giving me a clear direction of where it's going. I tried for GBP USD, same thing. Yeah, Euro USD, I'm coming back to it. You can see I've been trying to get some analysis that right there, but I'm not seeing them. Don't forget that in Daily Trade Academy we trade only major pairs, right? Only pair that has USD. That's what we trade, right? So now let's go to Euro USD. Now let me quickly go to recap of what we did last week. So if you are following the YouTube channel, you will have known that yes, we analyzed Euro USD. So you can check last week video on how I analyzed Euro USD, so that you'll be able to get a clear picture of where we are heading to. So now this is daily time frame on Euro USD. So I've drawn my downtrend. So I like sometimes to trade on it, like on a trend, like follow the trend. So it's good to follow the trend. Anytime the trend is going up, you buy. When the trend is coming down, you sell, right? So this is a downtrend. So the best place for us to get the best of this trade is to sell, right? So if I sell here, I will have made a profit right from here down here. So I'll make more profit if I sell than to buy. If I buy, I will not catch more pips, but if I sell in a downtrend, I will catch more pips, right? So now we can see that in the 4 hours time frame, you can see that the trend is very clear, showing a downtrend. That's very good. So which means we have the opportunity, we are going short, right? So that's the aim. So now let me go to, you can see right now. So last week I was saying that we need to, let me go to 15 minutes. Let me quickly go to recap of what we did last week. Now 15 minutes. Last week I was asking us that when the market opened around this place, around this box. That was last week Sunday. So this is a new week anyway. So I said I should look for a chart pattern that will form before we start to buy. So if you are patient enough, you will have waited for the chart pattern. I said that this is the support zone, right? There is a chart pattern. We have the head and shoulder pattern. We have the head and shoulder pattern here. Sorry, let me go 1 hour to see it clearly. We have head and shoulder pattern here before we start going up like this. So like this one, we have the head and shoulder pattern. We have the W pattern. We have head and shoulder pattern here. Sorry for the head and shoulder. We have the head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder. We have the W pattern, and we have W pattern, head and shoulder. We have, this is what I was asking us to look for. So what it formed was the head and shoulder pattern, the inverse of head and shoulder pattern. Let me confirm that. From here, so you can see we have from here the market came down, also go up like this. The same thing. I think you are following me. Like this again. Yes, that's the head and shoulder pattern. Then when it gets to this point, it now started going up. Yes, so the analysis that I did on Sunday was that the price we get, you can check the previous video please. The price we get to this point, right? That was analysis. Yeah, but when the price form the inverse of head and shoulder pattern here, the price start going up. So when it got here, it start coming down again. You know, you can it start coming down. It did some, it give us another double bottom here. We have the first leg, the first bottom, the second, we have the first and the second, giving us the double bottom, yeah, before it starts going up again. So we can see, so this is the pattern that, you know, goes more higher. So it went higher, it went higher, so it is still going up, right? So if you have waited for this chart pattern, and you'll have got some, you know, profit, right? So that is the analysis, but we have not yet gotten to this point. So my analysis was that it will get to this trend line. Now let me go on daily time frame. So as you have known, I love to analyze on daily time frame, then 4 hours, then we do the top down analysis. Yeah, that's what we call top down analysis. You start from higher time frame, then down to the lower time frame. So as a day trader, it's good for you to execute your trade on 15-minute time frame, right? So now let us analyze on what we are expecting this week on EURUSD. So looking at EURUSD right now on 4-hour time frame. So let me delete this things so that we can see clearly. Let me delete them and see clearly. So we're expecting the price to get to this point, to this zone. If you do a Fibonacci level, yeah, I said that if a Fibonacci tool is used for a downtrend or uptrend for any trending market. So right now here, let me check. Let me drag my Fibonacci. Let me drag my Fibonacci, right? So sorry, I'll not waste much time. Yeah, we are going to end very soon. Sorry, I've deleted the trend line. Let me take it back so that we can know where we are heading to. So this is what we are doing. Yes. Yeah, I want to delete this horizontal line. Sorry. Yeah, it's out. Now let's take our Fibonacci, yeah, so that we can know where we are expecting the price to start coming down. So if I draw from here, extend like this to this recent low here, yeah, you see that our 61.8 is around this zone, so which means the price is already going towards that our 61.8. So I would advise us to wait patiently. These are 61.8, right? So yeah, let me drag. These are 61.8. So which means something is going to happen here. Something will happen here. Let me so for this week we are selling EURUSD for this week. Right? Yes. So this point is our 61.8. So which means the price is yet to get to this. So by the anytime price get to this zone, so let me come to 1 hour to see clearly. Yeah, the moment price get to this zone, whatever will happen here, yeah, whatever that will happen here will determine where we are going. So let us watch the pattern that will form here before we start selling. So anytime we see a very legitimate a very clear pattern, yeah, very clear pattern, then we can go short. So we are expecting price to come from this angle, yes, down to this place. Yes, it is possible the price comes lower than this. It's possible the price comes lower than this, but let us watch. So now what I want you to do is that try to do your own analysis, like the way I've done my own. Go on 4 hours time frame, do the same analysis like this. Like you can see the way I draw my trend line, touching those lower highs like that. Draw it, and let's know where, like, then that's when you can get what I'm trying to explain. So I'll go on 15 minutes. 15 minutes is where we are going to enter. So you are going to look for your chart pattern on 15-minute time frame. You understand? Yeah, look for your chart pattern on 15-minute time frame. So now, as I said initially, you can see. So let's wait for price to come to this zone. Yeah, this is on 1 hour time frame only. Then don't forget to come always to your 15 minutes time frame to check what is going on. Yeah, so we're expecting the price to come from this zone right to this zone. Yes, for this week. So let's wait for price to get to this box. Let's see what will happen. Then we go short. So EURUSD right now we are selling EURUSD. So let us watch. Let us see. And trading is under probability. So if the price breaks this trend line, if the price goes through this trend line, then it means that there's a break of structure. It is possible, we are going uptrend, we are buying again. But watch what is going to happen here. If it is either it gives us weak rejection, it gives us head and shoulder pattern, it gives us candlestick pattern, it can give us candlestick here, it can give us chart patterns, it can give us anything that will indicate. So anytime we see any pattern, then let's take note of it, and we can be able to write the sell. So if the price break through this trend line coming up, then it means that we might have to change our bias of selling, might need to be buying. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So at this box now, let us see what price will do. Let's see what price will act. Maybe the price will break this trend line, or there will be a retracement to come down. Alright, so that's the analysis for this week. So don't forget, 15 minutes time frame is part of where we are entering. So 15 minutes will give us more clear entry on where we are heading to, right? So yeah, and if you want to follow, because in our mentorship group we are going to be trading this, I'll be dropping back-to-back analysis and how you can enter. So if you are interested, you want to join our mentorship, yeah, you can comment here in the YouTube channel and you'll be attended to, and on how you can join our mentorship group. Okay, so if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Alright, so this week I'll be doing analysis basically on EURUSD. Okay, so please subscribe to the YouTube channel for weekly updates, because I'll be posting on Sundays, okay, about what will happen for the week. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with your friends. It is free. Share with your friends and let us make this money together in the market. Okay, so thank you and happy trading week.